And COVID cases are on the rise right here in Western Mass and across the country. But health experts are predicting it's going to continue to get worse before it gets better.
Western Mass News reporter Amanda Callahan is getting answers from a doctor at Trinity Health on what we can expect as the Omicron variant continues to spread rapidly.
We're likely still several weeks away from the peak. We do have difficult weeks ahead of us, but it's all in our hands as to how we shape this peak and what we can do to stay safe.
COVID-19 cases continue to surge across the U.S. as the Omicron variant works its way to becoming the dominant strain nationwide. As the new year is now upon us, the post-holiday case surge is only expected to grow. Western Mass News is getting answers from Trinity Health's Chief Clinical Officer, Dr. Hussain.
We are currently seeing probably the worst spike so far during this pandemic in terms of number of people that are coming back positive across the nation, across this region.
Dr. Hussain says the best protection you can give yourself in a time where COVID appears to be almost unavoidable is get boosted.
We have studies out there now from the UK that indicate a 2-dose messenger RNA vaccine confers about 35% protectiveness against the Omicron variant, but that goes up to 75% as long as the booster is taken.
He also adds that those who are not vaccinated are the ones making up the majority of hospitalizations in the region.
Over the last several weeks, our hospitalizations have gone up. They're likely higher than where we were at this point last year. Again, driven to a large part likely by the Omicron variant. What we do see, though, in those patients that are getting hospitalized for COVID-19 is that a large chunk, more than 75% of them, are unvaccinated.
And Dr. Hussain tells Western Mass News he has hope we will get through this soon enough, as long as everyone takes the proper safety precautions.
We're not going to be in this forever. It's to get over this peak. It's to get over these difficult few weeks that folks need to curtail some of their activities.
Dr. Hussain says one of those precautions is wearing a mask. He says while an N95 mask is superior to a surgical mask and a cloth mask, it's more important to mask up no matter the kind. Reporting in studio, Amanda Callahan, Western Mass News.